Hi guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. Today I'm going to talk about POCO F4 5G, which I recently bought from Amazon. It comes with 120Hz display. As you can see how smoothly its UI is working, and look at this app library. I have so many apps installed. It is still working properly. There is not much stuttering. It comes with the two variant, 6GB variant and 8GB variant. But the mobile I am using currently, it is 6GB variant. Let me show you its RAM. Now I am going to show you its specs. It comes with MIUI Global 13.0.3, which comes with Android 12. You can see it comes with a Snapdragon 870, which is very good processor for gaming. Many gamers prefer to use 870 instead of 888 or 888 plus, because this is one of the most optimized Android processor in this year, and it doesn't heat up much when you play video games on it. You can see on the RAM section, it is written 6 plus 2GB, which basically means is it actually comes with 6GB RAM, but you can increase RAM for 2GB. It uses your internal storage as a RAM for 2GB. To turn it on, you're gonna have to go to the settings and you will have to scroll down, click on the additional setting. You will get the option here, memory extension. Click on it. As you can see, I have already turned it on. When you will turn it on, when your mobile will require to have more space in RAM, because if you are using some software which requires more RAM, it will use your internal storage as RAM. Now I am going to show you little bit of how gaming works on this application. I am going to open PUBG on it. You can see how much time it takes to open on this mobile. I had already opened this application on this mobile earlier, but still it is showing that it is compiling the resources. I don't know why does it do that. I have explained this earlier as well on my another phone. Let's see. Now you can see how much time it takes. It didn't take much time to load the level. One thing I can guarantee is that it has very good touch response. Let me show you FPS. To see FPS on these Xiaomi devices, you're gonna have to go to developer option. Scroll down right to the bottom, and then you will have to go bit up, and you can see an option called power monitor. You're gonna have to click on it, and here you can see there is an option called frame rate monitor tools. Start. Here you got the frame rate monitor. This you can see it is showing you some data. Currently it is showing 120 FPS because the UI recently is working on 120 FPS as the screen is 120 Hz. Let's go back to PUBG. The lobby scene is set at 30 FPS as it is showing 30 FPS. I'm gonna start a game here. Unfortunately, the game doesn't provide you, or you may say this device doesn't provide PUBG 90 FPS setting. You can play smooth plus extreme, so you're gonna have to play on 60 FPS only. You can use some other tricks to access 90 FPS, but as much as I know, you can play 90 FPS on 870 processors. Well, this is not my voiceover, so I might miss some part. In this video, you guys can focus on situation where like I jumped from the plane. What was that is there to know that carefully. Because this is a new ID, you can't see much enemy here. Hope I will find someone to shoot at. Unfortunately, there is no one in this area of the map. Someone is here, I can see the This is not much real enemy, as I already told you guys that this is a new account and we haven't played much with this account. And I'm not using earphones. I'm gonna exit the game. Basically, it was supposed to show you guys how the gameplay is going on this device. Yeah, you can't see the those places where there's a lot of enemy and frame actually gets dropped there, but you can see how much FPS it constantly provides you. Sometime it drops the FPS count. So basically, if you are a normal user, you can buy this mobile. If you are a gamer, I won't recommend you to use this mobile with 870 processor. You should buy something else. I would suggest you to go for Red Magic or IQ7 with 870. This mobile isn't good enough to handle game, and it doesn't provide 90 FPS. Okay, I'm gonna exit it. There's no one to shoot at, so I hope you got an idea how the game is going on this mobile, and how the mobile is working. UI is very smooth basically, considering it is 120 Hertz display. UI is very smooth. So basically, if you are looking for a mobile for not for the gaming purpose, or you can try it for gaming as well. Maybe later on you're gonna switch to a custom ROM and basically try to use some other feature. You can buy this mobile, but if you are going to use it for personal use, I'd recommend this mobile. And Just because it has at 70, it doesn't mean that it is a gaming phone. Basically the software isn't basically optimized good enough to provide you best experience in gaming.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.